Take a ride in the 2016 Scion IA. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio, internet radio, AHA, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.